Hey, welcome back to the Pine Hill Project. Today, I think we have a water leak. So follow along. We have some heavy equipment coming, and we'll show you the tools and the toys we use to fix it, just like it never happened. Okay, as you can see, we have a water leak. And after digging not one hole and patching it, not two holes and patching it, but after the third time we had a separate leak, that was it. I am done digging holes. So we decided to bite the bullet and call in the professionals. These guys really were pros. They did the whole job in and out in one day, so that was awesome. While they were there, we had an outdoor hydrant installed, so that's going to be nice. The only problem was, the digging left a big hump in the yard where we couldn't drive the lawnmowers over it. So we mowed the grass all summer around the hump. It was getting a bit tall, so we brought out the 1941 Farmall to mow it off. There's one spot here that has a bit of a ditch on one side, so I jumped in the driver's seat and took over for the foreman. Finally, it was time to start up our John Deere 1020. This is a mid-1970s model John Deere 1020 gasoline tractor. I took the John Deere with our King Cutter rototiller after we mowed the weeds to knock the humpiness down a bit. Once it was all flattened, we noticed all these rocks that came up to the surface, which is not good for mowing the grass in the future. So guess what we had to do? That's right, spend the next couple of hours picking up rocks. It was kind of like picking up potatoes. If you've ever planted potatoes before, you know what I'm talking about. Man, I wish these were potatoes instead of rocks. The foreman wanted to rake out the dirt a bit more to fill in low spots and make it more even. We picked up rocks so long, even the camera got bored. And to be totally honest, I suck at backing up a trailer. However, we got it done. And then we were ready to plant some grass seed and spread some straw. Man, I gotta tell you, my lower back was killing me after that day. And after a few months, you can't even tell it happened. If you're still watching, thank you so much. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you'd like to see more of our progress. Thanks again. Bye.